Even very meaningful words, if you spoken too many times, it become blah blah. I have an example. Most precious thing is the air and the water. But because they are plenty, they are the most abused and polluted. Because too many of it. So let's dedicate this morning's teaching for the benefit of all sentient beings to attain Buddhahood. O sunam de tam je zbani tam ne nyebe danam pam jega nan je balavan tuba ye sibian solan dowa dowara sho jambala ba chidara jam Kundo zambo teyan tejin de teda kunje jeso dalab Gyawan de da tam je ravdo sanje kusum nyebe chena dhan chuni minjurudem chenlama dangin dun michin dun bejan Jidab mwa menandu vara sho chanju simcho rimbo che machi panam chijur cheba nyamba mebra Kone kondun pe var sho Now, continuation on Mahamudra. This morning, we have learned about ground Mahamudra and practice of which the most important aspect, the devotion and compassion based on the ground Mahamudra. Now, actually, the realization of Mahamudra means the realization of the ground Mahamudra. And that means the primordial wisdom, the Buddha nature, we have to realize. It has to manifest. It has to unfold. So, base or the ground or the potential, when it is fulfilled, that is the result. So when we say, I wish to attain Buddhahood, means I wish to realize my true potential, my true essence, and it is not anything other than that. My true essence is essence of everything. Remember, in the ground Mahamudra, when we say essence, it is not limited to the essence of so-called mind, essence of everything. So everything that manifests is the manifestation of that same essence. So it is not only the realization of the mind, as we know, which is separate from the matter. So you don't have to attain enlightenment for each single thing. You know, when you attain the realization of the essence of yourself, then you realize the essence of everything. So this is the reason we will not find an ignorant Buddha, we will not find a limited Buddha, we will not find a sort of one-sided, limited manifestation of Buddha. Buddha manifests smiling, Buddha manifests wrathful, Buddha manifests with 3 heads, Buddha manifests with 16 arms, all kind of manifestation. Red, white, green, blue, and black, and all kind of color. There's no limitation how Buddha cannot manifest. So this way, it is symbolic in Mahamudra that Buddha's manifestation is four types: peaceful, wrathful, magnetizing, enriching. So that includes everything. To pacify, to enrich, to magnetize, to destroy. So all aspects of manifestation without any limitation. So now the achievement of that, the most important means for achieving that realization is meditation. If we simplify it into one term, then meditation. Now, when we practice, this morning I told you about the merit a little bit in group, and later in question I told a lot. Then other side of the merit is the wisdom. So when we practice, actually what is happening as a practitioner, what the practice meant to do is two things. Include, let's say, summarize all the practice and summarize what all the practice is meant for, then it is summarized into two things: purification and accumulation. So purification and accumulation is what all the practices are all about. We are pure naturally in essence. Therefore, all the impure things that are apparent in and around us are temporary and illusory. Therefore, they can be purified. If we are impure, truly, if there is such thing called primordial impurity, then you cannot purify. So, impureness that each one of us have are temporary. Because of that, it can be purified. At the same time, accumulation means that pureness, which is in essence, which is the ultimate, then the impure, which is relative and temporary, when it is purified, the pureness manifests. We call that accumulation of pureness. For example, when you cut a diamond, first it just looked like a raw crystal. Actually, it even looks worse than a raw crystal. Raw crystal you can see through. Diamond you don't. So, as you cut, then you are accumulating the shining, miraculous, magical appearance of diamond. It is so strong, at the same time it looks so fragile, elegant, delicate, and beautiful. It looks like a drop of heavenly nectar. But it is the hardest and most durable thing and most solid thing. So, accumulating that manifestation as you are polishing it, as you are cutting it, and so that is the definition of purification and accumulation. Accumulation doesn't mean you go around and accumulate nuts. You know? Like a chipmunk. You know, they accumulate nuts for the winter.